Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to make a video today sharing with you two niches that I found that are starting to trend on Merch by Amazon and some other print-on-demand platforms. But before we get into that, I want to share with you my two courses that I have up on Gumroad, and I'm actually offering a 50% off sale on them for today, just for today only. So tomorrow they will go back up to $19.99. But right here you can see the price has been dropped down to only $9.99. This is a Merch by Amazon masterclass, a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. This is more for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales, and you get 16 lessons with over an hour of content. And the Redbubble course is also 50% off for today only. It's also for beginners, people that are struggling to get sales. Here you can see the price is down to $9.99. And in this course, you get 20 lessons with also over an hour of content. So if you want to know like how I find these trending niches, I teach you that in the course. And now let's go back to the content of the video for today. So the first niche that I have for you is everyone is entitled to be an idiot. The reason this is trending is because yesterday or the day before, Biden had a speech and there was a heckler, and in that speech he told the heckler that everyone is entitled to be an idiot. And so now this phrase is trending. We're going to see there's only 180 results. This one right here is already selling. And a lot of the time when I do these political niches, people will always say, oh, is this niche safe? They're asking me questions if it's going to get them in trouble. And so I actually went ahead and just uploaded a design in this niche already to show you that I actually, do upload in the niches that I recommend to you guys. And so I'm just going to go ahead and show you the shirt. So right here I'm in my merch dashboard, the manage page. And right here we'll click on the standard tee. Now, I uploaded this shirt yesterday and went through fine. Usually when I do these political shirts, I just try to avoid anything that might get me in trouble, so I just don't do Biden. I just use the actual quote. And when you do it that way, you are safe and you won't have any problems. So right here, you're going to see this is my design right here. Now, I actually have a political template so that every time a political niche or quote comes out, I can just basically plug it in. It's very simple. But right here, you're going to see I'm just using the actual quote. I'm not using any words that can get me in trouble or anything like that. So if you're nervous, just do it this way. Right here, you can see this is my shirt. Went through fine. Went into processing right away and was live within about an hour or so. So this is the first niche right here. If we go to Redbubble, you're going to see there's low competition, only 18 results. And then the second niche that I have for you is in the football niche, and it is this phrase right here. I believe it is classy until kickoff. Yes. So this is going to be more for a women's shirt, or more for women. So right here you're going to see that the phrase is classy until kickoff, only 192 results. The reason this is trending is because right now it's football season. Tomorrow is actually the first day or the first game of the NFL season. And so here you're going to see this is what the designs look like. It's low in competition. And right here we're going to see that these have some good BSRs. And some of these were actually uploaded recently. So this one was, August 15, 2022. This was also 2022 and 2022. And if we go to Redbubble, we'll see that this trend or this phrase or niche is actually trending on Redbubble right now. So like I mentioned yesterday, I believe it was yesterday, when it has a little ticker, the arrow going up like that, like the stock market, that means it's trending. So right here you're going to see that this phrase is trending on Redbubble, and there's 963 results. So you can also get an idea of what some of the designs look like. If you go to Vexels, you can get some clip art there, like some footballs, some hearts, things like that. I have an affiliate link in the description. But those are going to be the two niches for today. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I put out almost daily videos. I put out videos almost on a daily basis, talking about trending niches, design ideas to help you make sales on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. And if you want to take advantage of my courses, they're going to be 50% off just for today only. So go ahead, check them out. I think you'll get some good value for them. All right, so that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, and if you want more niche ideas, take a look at my YouTube channel. I have some playlists and some recent uploads that you can take a look at if you're looking for more design ideas or trendy niches. All right, so thanks again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.